That's a wrap for week 1 in France. A week ago we took off from New Zealand, travelled halfway around the world, flew into Paris and drove down to Bourges to pick up a motorhome. Every day we've had brilliant sunshine. We're currently in a town called Chambéry, having a ball.
Having a ball. Weather's been gorgeous, absolutely beautiful.
Check out our video, see what we did. Hi, we're Kev and Claire.
We've quit our jobs in New Zealand and travelled more than 20,000 kilometres to France, where we have bought our Roller Team Motorhome, who we've called Rolly.
We plan to travel around Southern Europe for around 6 months.
We're rolling around Europe in Rolly.
Please follow along and see how we get along. Here we are on top of Puy de Dôme, a volcano just out of Clermont-Ferrand. Just below us here, guys preparing to jump off from parapente down. This around here. See Claire. Hello Claire. Hello.
Hi.
You made it. You haven't fallen over yet?
Nope, have not fallen over.
There's a big
Just done a bit of cross country coming
monument
out.
thing. Okay, this is just a different view, looking back up past the restaurant and train complex, back up to the Roman monument. So just there is an ancient Roman monument. It was a temple, temple of Mercury, Temple de Mercury. They've discovered it was from about 100 AD, and still the remains. You can see that right hand corner has been reconstructed, so they've tried to preserve it and stop it deteriorating further. So they've tried to and give you an idea of what it actually looked like. So there would have been a big square roof with 4 big columns at the front, so pretty spectacular on top of a mountain like this. Just reading, this is actually one of the Tour de France legs. They climb up this volcano, 14-kilometre climb up the mountain. It's pretty tough. We came up in a train. You can look back down there, you can see train track that we came up on, and we'll be going back down there shortly. But she's an absolutely beautiful day up here.
So nice.
Despite the snow and the heavy jackets, it's actually
Very
really warm. Probably, I think the forecast is for 14. It wouldn't be far off that up here. Beep beep, here comes the train. Okay, here we are. Good morning. We're at a place called La Cortine. We're just going for a little walk, morning walk around the lake. The lake is partially frozen, as you might be able to see through there. And you're not going to hear what we've been hearing at the moment. Hopefully it'll happen while we're on video. But we're right next to an army base, and all morning, part of last night, there's been automatic gunfire, explosions. We thought we were in a war zone for a while, but I can hear, I don't know what, maybe it's just a truck, I don't know, but it could be a tank. But we're right next to an army base.
The army base has been here since 1400.